Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts, and in this video I will be guiding you how to export high quality videos in Capcut PC. So you can see I open the Capcut software on my PC. So after that you have to finish all your tasks, and then in the end of your editing you have to click here. You can see export this one. Simply click here. Once you click here, then you will get the pop-up menu bar. So you can see name, you can change your name. So you can see resolution. So basically this one carry your thing. So you can see 4K or 2K and 180 pixel. It's you can save 4K, and after that you can see you should keep this one. And mp4, like mp4 is best and 30 fps, so you can increase the frame rate if you want, but I think it's okay. And after that simply tap on the click on the export button. So you can see it's processing now. It takes few moment to exporting. So just wait a second to get this footage. After that you can it's generating now. Okay, so after that you can share anything, and you can use this. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.